So friends, we'll see the next concept, how to find cubes of a 2-digit number. So far we saw how to find cube roots. So now how to find cubes of a number. So you'll be knowing the identity a plus b the whole cube. So using the identity we can make our work simpler. So a plus b the whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So we'll see how to find the cube root of a given number using this identity quickly and easily. Say suppose you are asked to find cube of 23. So here we can use this a plus b the whole cube expansion. So what is the expansion for a plus b the whole cube? So it is a cube plus 3a square b, so this 3 here, plus 3ab square plus b cube. So using this identity we can make our work simpler. So first term is a cube, so splitting this as 20 plus 3. So we can do our working, but instead of taking 20, so just we'll take placement of the digits, that is 2 and 3. So we'll take 2 as A and 3 as B and proceed. So normally they'll use this identity to expand this a plus b the whole cube or find cube of this number. Now instead of having 3a square b and 3ab square, so we can also write this as a cube 3ab. So just we are going to write placement of digits, so we can avoid this addition here. A cube 3ab and repeat this 3ab and then write this b cube. So instead of the second and third term, instead of 3a square b and 3ab square, so I have written 3ab twice. So because computing 3a square b separately and 3ab square takes time, so I have written just 3ab twice, and this first 3ab is multiplied with the first term a and the second 3ab is multiplied with the second term b. So now what is the result here? 3a square b and 3ab square. So our working will become simpler using this pattern. So now following the same pattern, so we'll write 2 cube and 3 cube on either side. And now 3ab. So what is 3 into 2? 6 into 3, it is 18. So it is 3 into ab, and repeat this again. So AB into 3. And now this is multiplied with the first term 2 and this is multiplied with the second term 3. So what is 2 cube? It is 8. So what is here? 2 into 3 into 3, it is 18. So repeat this 18 twice, and what is 3 cube? So it is 27. So the first 18 is multiplied with 2. So by doing so, you can make your work simpler. So 18 into 2 is 36. So what is 18 into 3? It is 54. So now 23 cube can be got by expanding this and collecting the answer. So how to get the answer from this expansion? So in each term, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. In each term you have to collect the single digit. So retain only the single digit. So for the answer, so write this 7. You have a 2-digit number, so I have retained this 7 and this 2 is added with the previous term. So when you add 2, what will happen? We will have here 56. So now in this 6 is retained 6 and this 5 is added to the previous term. So which is equal to 41. Now 1 is retained and this 4 is added with the first term 12. So this 12 is written as such. So now using the expansion of a plus b the whole cube, I am taking this in the pattern a cube 3ab into a, and then so both will lead to same expansion. 3ab writing twice, multiplying with the first term and the second 3ab with the second term, our working will become easier. So 23 cube we have got as, using this expansion, 12167. So now you can try questions in this pattern also. So mostly in exam, so you will be asked to find cubes of numbers starting with 1, that is 11 cube, 12 cube, 14 cube, up to 19 cube. So we will see how to find cube of those numbers. So here we have used this identity, that is a cube, 3ab into a, 3ab into b and b cube. So a is 2, 2 cube. Now 3ab is 18, and here again 3ab 18, 18 into the first term, and the second 18 into the second term. So units place 3, and then 3 cube 27, we have collected the answer. Now we will see how to find cubes of numbers starting with 1, single digit, tens, multiples of 10. So now to find, so cube of this 13. So now we can use the same a cube, 3ab into a, and 3ab into b and b cube. So but here, as you have 1, we have one more advantage. So instead of doing all this, so as a is 1 here, when you multiply with 1 also you will have the same product. So first write b cube, that is 3 cube, and the second it is 3 into a into, that is 1, into b square, and here it is 3 into a square is 1 into b, and here 1 cube. So whenever you have a number starting with 1 and you are cubing it, so you can write in this pattern. So whatever is here, 1 cube, thrice this number, then thrice square of this number, then cube of this number. So easily you can find cube of this number starting with 1. Say for 13 cube, 15 cube, 14 and all. So now what is 3 cube? It is 27. And here what number you have? 3 square is 9. 9 into 3 it is again 27. And what is 3 into 3? It is 9. And 1 cube is 1. So now you can collect the answer. So 13 cube will be, so in each term we have got 4 terms retaining only the single digit. So this is 7. And this 2 is added with 7. So we saw how to collect the answer. So the second digit, the tens place, is added to the previous term. So 2 plus 7, it is 9. And when you add 2 with 9, it is 11. And that 1 is added with the first term. So it is 2197 is cube of 13. So here as we have 1, so you can just take 1, then 3 times the number whatever you have here, and 3 times square of this number and cube of this number. So 3 cube is 27. So 3 square into 3 is again it is 27. So 3 into 3 is 9, and right here 1. So to collect the answer, so 7. So 2 added with 27, it is 29. So we have retained this 9, and this 2 is added to the previous term, it is 11. So we have retained this 1, and this 1 is added to the first term. So 1 plus 1 it is 2. So cube of 13 is 2197. So we will see one more example. So how to find cube of 42? So following the same pattern, so we can find cube of 42 easily. So here b cube. So what is b here? 2. 2 cube is 8. And now a is 4. What is 4 cube? It is 64. So we saw how to multiply, how to place these numbers in this pattern. So now using this pattern directly we write the values. So b cube, 2 cube is 8, a cube, a we have taken as 4, a cube is 64. And now 3ab. So 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 4, 24. So repeating this 24 twice. So this first 24 is multiplied with 4. and the second one is multiplied with the units place 2. So what is 24 into 2? 48. So what is 24 into 4? 96. So after expanding using this identity, we have got these terms. So now to collect the answer, so we have to retain each number, one number in each term. So 8, and now retain this 8. So 4 is added to the previous term. So 96 plus 4 is 100. Write this 0. Now 10 is added to the first term. So it is 74. So cube of 42 is 74088. So using this identity a plus b the whole cube, and that too in a simplified format, so we have easily got cube of 42. So friends, now in exam, so mostly they ask questions cubes of numbers from 11 to 19. So we'll see how to find cubes of these numbers. So here the tens place starts with 1. So if it starts with 1, either the tens place or the unit place, if it is 1, so working will become easier. So we'll see how to find cubes of numbers from 11 to 19. So we'll see it with an example. So we'll see how to find cube of 12. So using the same pattern, we can expand this and find cube of 12. So what is 2 cube? It is 8, and 3ab. So 2 into 3 6. As you have 1, it is just 6, and repeat this 6 again and write 1 cube, which is 1. And now this first 6 is multiplied with 1, and the second 6 is multiplied with the units place 2. So here you have 6 and here you have 12. And now to collect the answers, so we have only single digit in the last term, so write this 8, and from this term take this 2, and this 1 is added with 6, so it is 7, and now write this 1. So we have got cube of 12 as 1728. So when you check here, so we have used this pattern to work out, but whenever you have 1 here, so instead of doing in this, so you can use the same pattern. So because as a is 1, so multiplication will be reduced as you are using this 1. So you can use the same pattern to work out. So but here as it is 1, so this 8, it is 2 cube, and 12 can be written as, that is b square into 3. So as it is 3a b square, so as a is 1, so 3 into b square, 3 into b, so 3ab, 3a square b, as a is 1, 3 into b, that is 3 into 2 we have, and then 1. So whenever we are finding cubes of numbers starting with 1, that is from 1 to 19, so just cube this, so then 3 times square of this, so then 3 times the number with power 1, and then write 1. So that is 1 cube, as 1 cube is 1, we write this 1. So whenever it starts with 1, so you can use this pattern, which will be still more easier to find the cubes. So I have 2 here, so 2 cube, then 2 square into 3, 2 into 3, and then write 1. So what is 2 cube? It is 8. 2 square into 3 is 12. 2 into 3 it is 6, and then 1. So now by collecting the answer, 8, 2, 6 plus 1, 7, and 1. So 1728 is cube of 12 cube. So now we'll see a few more examples to find cubes of numbers starting with 1. So we'll see the questions now.